Guys, how you doing? So, we've got to 100,000 subscribers, and guys, I can't thank you enough. We've done it together, we've done it as a team, and as a thanks, I'm going to be giving away this Hobbywing Max 8 speed controller. So, in order to enter the competition, I'm going to tell you what you have to do in a minute. But first, I want to tell you about my new business venture. So I don't know if you've seen my buddy Stempy. He's been in a couple of my videos. He's been in the one where I built the Bitcoin mining machine. And I think he was in that video we done in London live. But I've taken that video down now because there's a lot of cussing in there because we had a bit too much to drink. So that video's been taken down. But we come up with a little idea the other day. And we're going to start a new hobby shop, a new model shop. And we're going to do it as a partnership. I'm going to be a silent partner, so I'm going to be sort of a half ownership of the business, but I'm not going to have anything to do with the running of the business. And my buddy Stempy, he's going to run the business. He's going to be dealing with all the orders, all the returns, all the phone calls, and all the eBay. And so basically we're going to have an eBay store. We're going to have a physical online store. We was going to use Shopify, but Shopify's too basic for what we want. So Stempy's going to build a website from something else. I don't know what yet. That's more Stempy's bag, all this internet stuff. So pretty much I'm going to be a silent partner, but my job's going to be to kind of promote the business and to promote it on sort of my YouTube channel and sort of put stickers on my RC cars. And Stempy's job's going to be more to sort of run the business, but we're both going to own it. So what I want to ask you guys is, what should we call the shop? We need a name for the shop, and we don't know what we're going to call the shop yet. So if you guys leave a comment down below and you come up with some good ideas, come up with as many ideas as you want of what we can call this new shop. And whoever comes up with the name that we're going to use, I will ship this to you. Now, you've got to share the video and you've got to be a subscriber. And then whoever comes up with the best name and the name that we're going to use first, that's the person that's going to win this speed controller. And you can put in as many names as you like. You can put in 10 different names. You can put in 100 different names. It doesn't matter. The more ideas you give us, the better. And the idea that we're going to use, the person that uses that name first, it's the person that's going to send this. But you've got to be a subscriber and you've got to share this video as well, because I want to really get as many good ideas as possible. So now, after that all said and done, I'm going to put the rules to that down below in the description box so there's not any confusions. And now we're going to do a little montage when we went out with the TRX-4 yesterday. Also, yesterday we took out, these are all the cars that I took out yesterday. So we've got the TRX-4 up there, the Rustler, and the E-Revo 2.0. And it all got broken. All of it's broken, guys. So quick montage now when we took the TRX-4 out in the water, and then we've got plenty of more videos coming up. We've got loads of footage. We've done some speed runs with that TRX-4, and oh my god, on 6S, the thing was just smashing itself all over the place, nearly ripped the back axle off, done all the gears in. Oh guys, there's a lot of carnage. We went to 2 skate parks, we went to a BMX track. So guys, there's lots of action coming up and a lot of destruction. And not only are all my RC cars on that bench destroyed, Steve came along, a couple of other buddies come along, Ian came along, a few kids came along, and pretty much everything got destroyed, guys. It was carnage, like always. So alright guys, I hope you like this. Well, I hope you're going to like this little video, and the montage is going to come up now. No. Oh, that's what I thought at first. Yes. I can't do it. No, I'll give up. I see mine's cutting out. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. Remember, come up with a name that we can call our new model shop. Whoever comes up with the best name, the name that we're going to use, this is the speed controller we're going to send you. Now, we're probably going to leave the competition going for a week. I'm going to put the exact date of when we're going to pick a winner, and I'm going to put that date down below. So you've got until then to come up with ideas, and you can put in as many ideas as you like. You can put in 100 different ideas. You can put one idea, as many ideas as you like. And the idea that we're going to use, I'm going to pin the winner to the top of the post, and then that winner is going to have to contact me in my personal messenger within YouTube. Alright guys, if there's any rules of this competition that I've left out, they're going to be down in the description box. Alright guys, see you soon.